In the Disney animated film Moana, the sailing boat, referred to as a kamikau, represents the Polynesian voyaging heritage and plays a crucial role in the protagonist's journey. In the film Moana, the boat is named Moana's canoe or simply Moana's boat. The kamikau is a double-hulled vessel, designed to navigate the open ocean with efficiency and stability. It plays a central role in Moana's journey across the Pacific Ocean as she sets out to restore the heart of Te Fiti and save her island. The kamikau is not just a means of transportation but embodies the seafaring traditions of the people of Polynesia. It symbolizes their deep connection to the ocean, navigation skills, and the spirit of exploration. Moana's ancestors were skilled navigators who explored the vast Pacific Ocean using boats like the kamikau. However, over time, the villagers of Motunui, Moana's island, turned away from voyaging due to fear of the dangers beyond the reef. Moana's grandmother, Tala, instills in her the importance of wayfinding, the ancient art of navigation without instruments. Tala shares stories of their ancestors' voyages, igniting Moana's curiosity about the ocean and her people's past. As Moana embarks on her quest to find Maui and restore the heart of Te Fiti, she learns to sail and navigate using the kamikau. Through her journey, she rediscovers her identity and embraces her heritage as a wayfinder, reconnecting her people with their seafaring roots. Throughout the film, the kamikau represents Moana's growth and transformation. Initially hesitant and inexperienced, Moana learns to navigate the challenges of the open ocean, becoming a confident and skilled voyager by the end of her journey. Moana's sailing boat embodies the resilience, courage, and cultural pride of the Polynesian people, serving as a vessel for both physical and spiritual exploration in the film.